Hi friends, my name is Luke Gerlach with Think Chat, and today's school shout out is Fridley Elementary, just outside of Minneapolis, Minnesota in the United States. And the reason why this is such a special place to me is because of people. My first ever coordinator, Kirsten Wickham, she was my coordinator in Cologne, Germany, in a dual language campus. And she's the one who took the chance on me and gave me a job and saw the potential of me as a PYP educator, as an inquiry and conceptual educator, and gave me the opportunity. And while I was at that school for 4 years, I had the opportunity to attend 12 different professional development opportunities. Most schools don't invest that much, but it was a good place for me. And I'm so grateful that we were able to, after all these years, reconnect in Fridley. And Fridley is a part of a school district where Kirsten is the district coordinator. And so I was able to go into one of her schools and work with different teachers to help them better understand the PYP. Now, for some of them, it might have been very confusing, for sure. For some of them, I could tell that some of them really got it, and others were just passionate and hungry for more. And this is the evolution of learning. It was just so, at moments, I just looked across the room and thought, okay, there's the person who trained me, and now I'm training people that are under her care and preparing the next generation of educators that are entering into this program. And what a full circle moment. It was just a privilege and honor. And you know, you do the best you can with trainings. I was a little nervous at times because here was my trainer in the room, but she's so easygoing and loving. I just recently saw her this last week that, you know, it really didn't matter. But it was just so lovely to experience that camaraderie again in our roles of being in the same school, even if it was for a short moment. And I think that what I learned about Fridley is that, and the association of teachers there, is that you can, it's about scaffolding and making sure that we scaffold well as we're presenting new ideas. And and sometimes you're not gonna do the best. You just do your best and you just pick up and you move on. And I really felt that way while I was there. I did my best, and I could tell some of the ideas were a stretch for some. But you know what? That's what is part of the learning dip. We get overwhelmed at times, and then with time, we figure it out. And isn't that the beauty? It's kind of like a cycle where we struggle and then we understand, and then we struggle again, right? And so I'm so glad I went through that experience, because it helped me to grow personally as well as a trainer, and also to be in the same space with my coordinator. Love her.